Hi tarot lovely ones, it's Ethany and it's Friday on my channel, which means it's First Impressions Friday all up in here, and I have got the Tarot of the Golden Wheel and I'm very excited. I have been drooling a little bit over this deck. I spied it. I love looking through the catalogs of, well, I stalk a lot of creators. I also look through the catalogs of like Llewellyn, US Game System, Schiffer, Red Feather, Watkins, Circo, and then also Instagram. And you know, Amazon loves to tell me you may be interested in this. I'm like, yes, Amazon, yes, I am interested in this. Thank you for being in my brain. So anyway, I've been lusting over this deck a little bit. It's just, it looks so beautiful. I can't wait to get into it. Inspired by the magic and wisdom of Russian fairy tales, the Tarot of the Golden Wheel interprets traditional tarot through the prisms of colorful Slavic folk culture. Can't wait. It is published by US Game Systems, and it is by, I'm going to try and pronounce this correctly, Mila Losenko. Okay, so that's the artist. Let's get into it. Look at that magician. Like, that's such a badass. All right, let's do this. I'm so excited. We're going to swap over camera and go through the Tarot of the Golden Wheel. Hi beautiful ones, it's Ethany and I have a new camera set up, so I'm hoping that this is going to work. We're here to unbox the Tarot of the Golden Wheel. If you hear anything in the background, it is just my puppy who has decided to pick up a very noisy toy. Such is life. The Tarot of the Golden Wheel is produced by US Game Systems. Even though we have a rainy day here, at least I'm getting some sunlight here. It is by Mila Losenko, and I'm really excited to get into this. It's been on my shelf for a little bit, and I have been dying to see what's inside. Really beautiful matte box. That purple, I love purple. I'll pop that up there. Oh no, they put plastic wrap. They double wrapped it. Scario. And so we have the guidebook, which I will go through again at the end. Oh no, let's see if I can get into this. This is the bane of my existence. Especially when I don't have like super long, got it, nails. Usually have my scissors, but I moved them. Okay, so really pretty backs here. I'm getting a very pastoral sort of thing here with the design. Gorgeous back design. I'm a real purple person, but I'm really loving like more golden harvesty hues at the moment. Okay. It is it's a little bit longer than a standard tarot deck, but not by much. Like, I think if you chopped off that would be a standard tarot deck. Maybe it is a standard tarot deck size. It looks a little bit bigger. There's no gilding, but it is really good cardstock. I mean, US Game Systems always has really good cardstock. So let's go through the cards. The Fool, so beautiful. This is I already know this one is going on my reading space for fall and winter. The Magician. I love the font. I think the font does a really good job of accompanying or making it even look even better. I love that it's full bleed to the edges. It does feel like it's a little like you are really drawn to it, but I don't mind that at all. Actually, I'm not mad at that design. Let's not kick the High Priestess. So beautiful. The Empress. It's always so weird working with I have been trying to find the perfect tripod forever. The Emperor. Oh my gosh, it looks like Santa Claus. Looks like St. Nicholas. Oh, that owl. It's not an owl, it's like a falcon or a hawk. Oh my gosh, the Hierophant. So, I just want to quickly look at something. It is The Wisdom of Russian Fairy Tales. So it's Slavic folk culture. And it was really interesting. We were just talking about this in my Witchcraft 101 series about Slavic folk culture. So hopefully the person who was on that call is watching this. So if you were looking to get into learning more, go grab this deck. The Lovers. It's so pretty. I really love it. The Chariot. Making sure, still trying to work this out. Oh, Strength. Of course, we have a beautiful bear. Oh, the Hermit. These are so stunning. The Wheel of Fortune. Justice. She's so beautiful. Oh, the Hanged Man is amazing. Look at that, in the water, diving for something like pearl divers or something. We have like, it's probably a river or a lake. That's gorgeous. Death. Again, sorry this is a little bit awkward. I'm still trying to figure out the placement of my hands on this thing. Temperance. Really so stunning. The Devil. Wow, I love the contrast in the art in this. The art is exquisite. Like, it's so pretty. And I had my eye on this for as soon as I saw it in the catalogue, and I was like, I have to have this now. The Tower. Oh, the Star. This just keeps getting more beautiful and more beautiful and more beautiful. This artwork is just to die. The Moon. Oh my gosh, and look at the sun. Okay, see the mandalas back there? The Moon. The Sun. I'm going to use this deck a lot. Look at Judgment. The Slavic headdresses, the beautiful from like the Ukraine and Russia and Eastern Europe, the headdresses they have are so stunning. The World. It's like the seasons. Oh, beautiful. Oh. Okay, so wheels are the Pentacles, Ace of Wheels. So as you can see, it is based on a Rider-Waite-Smith deck, which of course I'm not mad at all. I teach and I've learned the Rider-Waite. The 5. It's just really like I want to go and play in these scenes so badly. I love everything about this aesthetic so much. Oh, just gorgeous. Oh, so pretty. I was just so worried then that I wasn't recording. Okay, then we have the page. It looks like we have a very kind of tarot traditional court, which again, not mad at, because with my tarot system, it's all based on archetypes. So, and the structure of the actual hierarchy and the way in which power is expressed. So I'm not mad at that. Beautiful facial details. Faces are so hard to do artistically. Well, I find them like virtually impossible. Okay, so now we have, oh, look at that, Ace of Wands. Oh. 2 of Wands. I've actually heard mountain goats in Canada in a parking lot crack at each other, and it sounds like thunder or lightning. It's like a crack of thunder. No, actually a crack of lightning. That's exactly what it sounded like. It was so loud. 3 of Wands. I don't even know what to say here. I'm just like, everything about this is really beautiful. It's going to be one that's going to be very easy to work with with my clients because it's going to be clear and welcoming and still very, oh gosh, these wolves, sorry, I had to turn it to me a little bit. I like how these ones have not got all of the reds in it. That's really cool. Like some of it is, I mean, look at that, this one here, look at that, that's like, yeah, that reminds me of a battlefield after a drudgy, horrible war. And this one's really cool too, like the sun setting in the background there. This watercolor art is exquisite and I really love watercolor. I wish I was this talented. I'm sure it took an absolute forever to be this talented at watercolor. Really something gorgeous. Oh, the Two of Cups. So it is pretty, you know, traditional in the way that it is. Sorry again if everything's on an angle. I'm at a different angle trying to figure out this new camera, the new tripod. It is very traditional in a way that things, you know, we had the three women in the Three of Cups. But again, I'm not mad at it. It's a lovely, oh, that she's gorgeous. I like that we've got the crone and the, instead of it being a bit more ambiguous as to the age of their children or the age of the people in the card. Seven of Cups. One of my favorite cards, the Eight of Cups. The Nine. So pretty. I don't even know what to say. It's just so gorgeous. Reminds me of like, these are all in the, like a willow almost. Reminds me of two things. Pocahontas with Grandmother Tree and Little Mermaid, Ariel. Kissed a girl, whoa, whoa, sha la 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 la, don't be shy. Gotta love that movie. I'm looking forward to the live one of that actually, how they're going to do that. Mind you, after Aquaman, I can see it a little bit more now, like the technology for underwater. Oh, swords, yes. Look at that snake, amazing. That's shit hot, I love that. Wow. Oh wow, that's so pretty. I'm so looking forward to using this in readings. It's just, oh, I like how that's not, like they're not on the boat yet and the swords are in, oh. Oh, this is really cool too. The perspective of like that hiding in the trees. I would be quietly shitting myself if that was the only shelter, like the only hiding I had. Yep, I'd be crapping my dacks. Eight of Swords. Oh, look at that headdress. So beautiful. I love the sword suit. It's just, I like seeing how difficult things are interpreted through artistic things, measures. Oh my gosh, things, that was real eloquent to me, wasn't it? I'm a writer, I say things. She's so badass. Yes! Fuck yes! That's Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords is one of my the card that I identify with, and it's one of the cards that I really like to look at. And this is a home run for me. Look at them, they're armored. They're all just like, so amazing. All right, let's shuffle. Now again, you're going to see a really weird angle because I'm sitting at a different angle just to get the light at the moment because it is pouring down with rain. They shuffle beautifully, not a surprise. Like I said, something that US Game Systems is very good at doing is making excellent cardstock. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my. Do-do-do. Fan lovely. 10 of Swords, and we got a sword. So let's have a look at the guidebook. So we have, just trying to burn my fingers here. Okay, so we have information about the deck and the inspiration. It's a nice little white book. Okay, and then we go into the major arcana. Oh, we have a keyword. Upright, reversed. Let's have a look. I'm just going to quickly scoot to the back. Okay, then we have reading with the cards right at the back here. Control is a good word for the king. And then we have a beautiful wheel spread. Love this. And then there's the artist. Look how gorgeous she is. Oh, we're born like pretty close. Oh, love it. All right, so let's have a look at the 10 of Swords and what we have here. Do you wanna kiss it, girl? Whoa, whoa. Okay, we have 10 of Swords. Now I'm gonna have that stuck in my head all day. Keyword destruction. The lower limit, the bottom, the inevitable end, too true. And then we have upright, disaster, devastation, decay, reversed, enhancement, capture, winning. So it is a, you're not going to get like a full, this is not a chunky guidebook, but it's got a good amount of information. And I do like the keywords here because you don't always see the same ones, and it looks like too that the actual artist wrote the book, which is also something that is really lovely, and it has that beautiful matte finish. I'm obsessed. I love it. I can't wait to work with it. It is super stunning. I am going to pop a link, as always, to where you can get this deck in the description below. And as always, hot stuffs, thanks so much for watching.